Hey, are you there? I got a little secret for you. Actually, it's a big, huge secret. I went to this seminar the other day on trading, and perhaps you can relate to this. So there was this dude, Johnny Slick, I called him, and he was up there and showing how you could trade using Fibonacci and Gann and moon cycles and wave counts and all this complicated stuff. I listened to this for a while, but the problem was I had already been trading for many, many years. My dad started teaching me when I was 8 years old. That's right, knee-high to a grasshopper. That's how old I am. I still use that. So why the secret? What's the secret? The secret is they make it complicated so that they can sell you expensive courses. They were selling a course for $5,000. That's right, $5,000. And that was the beginner course. And then if you passed that and took their test, then they might give you the privilege of applying for their $15,000 Advanced Starfleet Commander Multi-Diamond Platinum Super Duper Whooper Mooper Flooper Cooper program. Maybe. They'll give you that privilege. So if you ever thought to yourself, I wonder if some of these people just make money selling courses and not by trading themselves. Guess what? You are a smart cookie. Congratulations. In fact, it's actually been proven indisputably that people who watch this little video all the way to the end are all smart cookies. You look like a smart cookie. The bottom line is you don't know who to trust. So I'm going to take this model and flip this puppy upside down. And I'm not going to sell you a course. I'm just going to give you a real trading course, a little mini course, absolutely free, and I want you to make money with it first. You pay me $0. Look at that, zero, the princely sum of zero. See what's in there? $0. What? Oh, I shouldn't make that. This trade setup is called the rubber band trade, and I call it that because it's a reversion to the mean mathematical model. God dang, Barry, you mean I got to do math? Nope, you don't have to do math. Fortunately for you, I got a C- in math all the way through college. And I took exactly one math class. Here's how simple it is. We're looking for the market to go into 2 standard deviations away from the mean. All I know is the market has a very, very, very high probability of going back to the center, and that puts dramatic odds on my side. So I call it the rubber band trade because it's like stretching this rubber band until, yowie zowie, that actually really did hurt. I didn't think it would hurt that bad. Anywho, my friends, just go to rubberbandtrade.com. It's that simple. Get the mini course, start making some money, and then send me an email. Let me know how much money you're making. And by the way, if you need any support, I'm there to help you as well along the way. I'll see you on the inside. So just go to Bland? Okay, So just go to Seriously, I can't say band. And once again, in case you didn't hear me the first time, I'm charging you $0 dinero. See, I'm trying to impress you with my international multilinguistic verbiage. The Super Duper Mooper Cooper Starfleet Commander Triple Diamond Multi-Platinum Course Thing Package